Hello and welcome back to the solder side, and today we're going to be attempting to fix this Game Boy Color. So let's see what's wrong with this. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a fair amount of corrosion in there. We'll try some batteries, see what happens, but my guess is this is broken because it doesn't turn on. Yep, nothing, no light, no power, nothing. So let's get this apart and cleaned and see if that's the only issue. And we're just going to try and push out the battery contacts. They do not want to come out. Oof. Might just get the old white vinegar out, give that a go. Yeah, that's definitely fizzing away. Well, we'll let that fizz a bit, and let's have a look at this. You can see a bit of corrosion around the base of the battery. So let's take the board out. That's going to be Phillips. I'm hoping there's not going to be too much corrosion on this. I'm going to put some white vinegar on these, and then I'll clean it off with some isopropyl. There we go. Took a bit of persuading. Okay, now what I'm going to do with those is dump them in the white vinegar. Give it a good mix. Good news is I can hear it all bubbling, so that means it's giving it a good clean. And then while I'm there, let's give this a bit of a clean with isopropyl. Do the same with the back cover.
10 years later.
There we go. Took a bit of persuading that. Okay. Let's see. Dry that off a bit. Before I put that back in, let's test some continuity. Okay, do it from the spring. Yep, and yep, okay, that's looking good. So we've got some continuity now. Just need to dry the back of this a bit more. I'm feeling quite hopeful about this. I'm just going to put it in just to put some batteries in. I just want to see if it powers on. Yeah, we're getting power. Okay. That is promising. So I'm just going to take that out and just put that to one side. I'm also going to just give this a bit of a clean out because there was some bits in it. And I mean, these look okay, but I'm going to give them a bit of a clean with some isopropyl just to make sure they're clean. But they all look okay to me. Okay. Oh, I was looking for that. All right. Just going to try it with the screen on before I put all the screws back in. Oh yeah, and we've got sound. Beautiful. It's looking good so far. Yep, volume's working. Looks like the games are playing. Let's see where they were. Yeah, all the buttons seem to work. Yep. So yeah, that was not bad of a fix, so I apologise if that was boring. Hopefully the next video will be more exciting, but if you did enjoy that, give it a like, and yeah, subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you.